I'm Mihela. Today we'll be talking about a bird that is also known as king crow for a reason. The black drongo. The black drongo is a small Asian passerine bird of the drongo family. It is an all-black bird with a distinctive forked tail. It is a common resident breeder in much of tropical southern Asia, from southwest Iran through India, Bangladesh and Sri Lanka, east to southern China and Indonesia, and accidental visitor of Japan. Black plumage flashes blue and green iridescence in favorable light, through much less so than in hair-crested or bronzed drongo. An adaptable songbird of open areas such as farmland, forest edge, meadows, wetlands and fields, and a common sight as a familiar duck, silhouette perched on wires, fences or snags. The species is known for its aggressive behaviour towards much larger birds, such as crows, never hesitating to dive bomb any bird of prey that invades its territory. This behaviour earns it the informal name king crow. Their calls are like locally named Kalu Kauda. I have seen the black drongo. You could mostly see the black drongo in the northwestern Sri Lanka. One such place in northwestern Sri Lanka is Puttalam. These are some of the pictures of our stay in Puttalam.